Alright, so I have code P069E. Let's see what else. P069E 2646. I replaced that intake rocker arm solenoid, the whole entire thing. Engine misfire. I have a new set of plugs and new coils. So let's see what happens, alright? We're going to go ahead and take care of this one, the P069E, and replace the fuel pump control module. See what happens. Let's clear these codes. Awesome. There we go. Now let me show you how to do the fuel pump control module. What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your fuel pump control module on your Chevy Malibu. And this one is located in the trunk. Alright? Once you open the trunk, look to your right side. You're going to want to expose this by pulling back on this. And you will notice that box right there. If I'm not mistaken, that box is only being held on by these two clips. We push down on these two clips and we pull it out just like that. Then we'll take this clip off. I'm probably gonna need both hands for it. Let's see. Oh, no you don't. You press on that tab and you pull out. And that's how you do it, guys. In under 1 minute. Here's the new part. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in. Do some YouTube magic and then let you know what happens, okay? Alright, here we go. Let's go ahead and put it back. I'm still doing it one-handed. Let's see. Make sure it clicks. Click, alright. And then we install it in reverse order, which is you slide this in first into those tabs and then you push down. Alright, just like that. That's how you replace the fuel pump control module, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Of course, there's going to be some clips and stuff like that, but someone already tried to do that, okay? Well, there you have it. I've driven quite a while now and running pretty good, so I think that fuel pump control module was causing that. Well, hope this video helps you guys. Thank you so much for watching, alright? Have a good one.